Today's topic is theme book. Okay, let me share the theme lesson. Yes. Let me share the theme lesson. Here it is. So first we will do level 1 lesson and then we will do level 2 lesson. So far what all we have done in the theme transportation? What is transportation? Kavi, there's nothing for you to do in this. So in transportation, we have land transport, we have air transport, and we have water transport. Land transport, Lagima, can you name 3 land transport? Stop it.
जो आप रोड पे इतना सारा देख रहे थे, बहुत बार आया था, वो भी बोल दो ना। क्या आया था? बड़े वाला ट्रक, इसे क्या बोलते हैं? रोली नहीं, लोरी। बस बस और बोलो। रोली नहीं, लोरी।
Lorry. Or you can also say freight truck.
मम्मा जी ये लागिमा बोल दी थी रोली।
हाँ.
Lorry.
Tractor, bus, car, jeep, train, these are all land transport. And Abhav, can you name 3 water transport?
जो वाटर में चलते हैं। Yes, boat.
Covid, can we listen to him? Yes. So Abhav,
दोबारा से बताओ मैम।
Ferry. Okay. And Asri, tell me something that flies in the air. What flies in the air?
Air transport.
Asrit will tell. Asrit बताएगी. Asrit, अब एयर में क्या चलता है आप बताओ?
Air transport.
Air transport. Asrit is hiding in under the bed sheet. Okay, so air transport is aeroplane, helicopter, parachute. Then we have rocket, satellite, hot air balloon.
नहीं वो वाला उसको कहते हैं
jet plane.
हाँ jet plane.
Jet. Okay. So today we will come. So last time we learnt about safety rules, how we should cross the road and what should we do. We should not run on the road. We should always walk on the side and all the road signs. No left turn, no right turn, no parking. We read about all the signs.
मुझे पता है. Stop sign.
And we also learnt about traffic signals. What do we do on red light?
मम्मा जी.
What do we do on red light?
मुझे वो याद आ गया. Stop sign. Give way sign. No right sign. No left sign.
Yes. Okay. Shall we move with this traffic signal?
Parking sign.
Okay, let's move ahead with today's topic. So today we will learn about where to catch different types of transport. तो अगर हमें बस लेनी है, if we want to board a bus, where to go? If we want to go on a train, where do we go? And if we want to go board a flight, an aeroplane, where do we go? And if we have to go on a boat or a ship, then where to go? So anybody can tell me where do we catch bus? कहाँ जाते हैं अगर हमें बस पे जाना हो तो? Lagima will tell. Lagima, where do we go to catch bus?
This. Bus stand.
Bus stand. Very good, Abhav. So we go to bus stand. It is also called bus station. Bus station or bus stand. So on bus stand, there is a place for people to stand and wait for the buses. Then the bus comes and then there is a ticket counter where we buy ticket. Whenever we have to go in bus, train, aeroplane, in any mode of transport, if we have to go, we have to buy a ticket. तो वो ticket हमें लेने के लिए there is a window where the conductor or some other person might be selling tickets. So we buy tickets from there. Then we go and wait in the waiting lounge. We sit there, wait for our bus to come, and then when the bus comes, we board the bus. What do? We board the bus. So that is what we do on a bus stand. Then where do we go if we have to catch a train? Where do we go if we have to catch a train?
Railway station.
Railway station. Yes. So if we have to catch a train, we go to railway station. Okay, please keep quiet. We go to railway station, and again on railway station also we have to buy ticket from the ticket counter. See, this is ticket counter and people are standing in queue. So it is a good manner to wait for your turn, stand in the queue. Queue में खड़े होके, line में खड़े होके वेट करते हैं, आपकी टर्न आती है, then you buy the ticket. And then do you see this? This is a clock room. What is a clock room? Clock room में we can keep our luggage. If there is something, if let's say we have to go out of the railway station और हमें ज़्यादा सामान अपने साथ नहीं लेके जाना है, थोड़ी देर के लिए हमें रेलवे स्टेशन से बाहर जाना है, then we can deposit our stuff, our luggage in the clock room. Clock room में lockers होते हैं. We can keep our luggage, we can keep our things there, and we get a key. उसकी चाबी मिलती है हमें, वो की हमें मिलती है. Then we go out. When we come back, we open our locker, take out our stuff, our luggage, and then we can again go in the train. So clock room is to keep your belongings safe. And then this is the ticket counter. Then people are waiting. Some people are sitting on the bench. And what is this? Bengaluru. This is the name of this railway station. This is Bengaluru railway station. Which is the nearest railway station we have? Do we have a railway station in Rador? No, we don't have a railway station in Rador. We have a railway station in Jagadri in Yamunanagar.
मम्मा जी पापा में बेंगलुरु जाते हैं.
Yes.
पापा.
So people are sitting on the bench. They are waiting. They are waiting for their train. This is a platform. The train comes on the platform, and then people board the train. Some people get down from the train and some people climb up. They board the train to go somewhere. And there is a clock up there. Do you see the clock? It says time is 12:15. The time is 12:15 in the clock. I have not finished it. Okay, so this is a railway station. Then if we have to board a flight, if we have to go on aeroplane, we go to airport. We go to airport. So just like buses go on bus stand, aeroplanes come on airport. There is a runway. Aeroplane runs on the runway and then takes off in the air. And then when it comes back, it flies in the air and then slowly it lands on the runway and runs on the runway. So this is a runway. This is an aeroplane which is walking on the runway, and this is taken off. ये जा रहा है. And do you know, just like we have red light, green light traffic signals होते हैं ना रोड पे, ऐसे ही हम एयर में ट्रैफिक को कंट्रोल करने के लिए we have something called as radar. This is a radar. Radar. And this is air traffic control room. यहाँ से ये देखते हैं कि कौन सा एरोप्लेन आने वाला है, कितना स्पेस है एयर में, एरोप्लेन आ सकता है या नहीं आ सकता, कैन इट लैंड, डज इट नीड टू स्टिल roam in the air. So they control and they talk to aeroplanes. Through radar, they monitor their position and then they talk to the pilots and give them instructions कि अभी land करना है या नहीं करना है, कब land करना है, कहाँ पे land करना है. So they keep telling from the control room, air traffic controller. See, this particular aeroplane is parked in the is in the docking station on airport. Then we have water port, just like airport for aeroplane, water port for ship and boats. So here also, see, there are some cargo ships, so there is a lot of cargo also here. Then there are some passenger ships. This is normal passenger ship. So people are waiting to board the ship. Then there are boats. So similarly, like we buy a ticket for aeroplane, bus, and train, we buy a ticket for ship also. Okay, so when we have to go to another country via sea, then we go through ship. Okay.
और ये जहाँ से टिकट लेते हैं.
This is called seaport or water port.
हाँ, ये
So in airport we have radar. On water ports, on the islands we have lighthouses. Lighthouses give directions to ship कि किस direction में जाना है. They give directions to ship to tell them where to go, because in water sometimes you don't कभी when you feel lost, you don't know where to go. So lighthouses help these ships and boats to find out their way. Okay, so that was level 1. Now is level 2. In level 2 we will learn about various vehicles which do not run on the roads, which are used for places where there are no roads. कहीं कहीं पे road ही नहीं होती है, वहाँ पे कौन से vehicles चलते हैं. So we will learn about those vehicles. So first one is dirt bike. Dirt bike. So as the name says, it runs in dirt. Dirt means जहाँ पे road नहीं होती, muddy area होता है, there is a lot of water and dirt and there is no road. There dirt bike is used because it has a better grip. It can run without a road. Then we have quad bike. Quad means 4. Quad bike has 4 wheels. So normally a bike has how many wheels? 2. But quad bike has 4 wheels, because quad bike is used to run in sandy or mountain area where there is no road and it needs better grip. So it runs in sand or in mountains. Similar to quad bike, we have dune buggy. Dune buggy is a jeep which runs again in the desert area where there is a lot of sand. Normal car cannot run on sand, it will slide. उसके wheels छोटे होते हैं, वो slide हो जाएगी. So people use dune buggy to go in sand area or desert areas. Then we have aerial tramway. Aerial tramway is used on mountains when you have to go from one mountain to another mountain. Sometimes there are cables laid out and trams go on them.
dune buggy इसलिए होती है अगर ज्यादा mountains हो, इसलिए dune buggy.
Yes, dune buggy is used mostly in the sand area, sand mountains. Then aerial tramway is also called cable car. So cable car is used on mountains. Anybody has ever been in a cable car?
Yes.
कोई बैठा है cable car में कभी? No? No. Okay. So after this coronavirus is over, then when you go to mountain, you go. Oh, okay. लागिमा गई है cable car में. Where did you go on tramway?
हरिद्वार.
Okay, you went to Haridwar, Naina Devi. No, Mansa Devi. That's good. So aerial tramway is used on mountains to travel from one mountain to another mountain. Then we have ski, snow scooter and sleigh. They are all used in the snow because in snow no vehicles can ride. सभी vehicles slip हो जाएंगे. They will skid in the snow. So people, if they have to go manually, they use ski, and if they have to go faster, they use snow scooter, and sometimes people also use sleigh. Have you seen sleigh anywhere in cartoons? Who rides on a sleigh?
Santa.
Santa Claus. Santa Claus rides on a
Santa
sleigh. So this is Santa Claus vehicle, sleigh. So sleigh also, these are all snow transport. These are used in snowy mountains. Okay, so these are different terrains. We have mountains, we have snow, we have sand, and then we have dirt. So these are all different terrains. Okay, so that was all for theme time today, and now is